I'm going to start by taking these hinges off. I'm going to leave that one there. We're going to take this one off. That one came up quite easily. Out. Now I'm going to take this one out, like so. And we're just going to take the door off now. Alright, so I watched a video on YouTube about this, and they said to fix a hole like this, to trim it with a box split, or with a razor blade at an angle. Now, I'm going to use some cardboard. Fancy, I know. And basically what this is going to do is just give me a little bit of a boundary between the hollowness of the door and what I'm trying to fill here. So what you can see there is the cardboard created a border around our portion that we're gonna fill. So what we're gonna do is fill this now with some spray foam, window and door, and it says yellow foam. We'll see how it works. Now what we're going to do with this is just let it sit and harden, and then we're going to take a razor blade and cut the spray foam off, and then I'll show you what the next step is. Alright guys, what we're going to do now is trim all of this off so we can get it down to just below the surface. Hey. We've got all that cut away. We're going to put on some plastic wood over the top of this and then sand it smooth. All right. Let's put some of this on. Well, Now we get to sit and wait. It says it takes about 15 minutes to dry for this product. I'm probably gonna have to put on multiple coats because I noticed as I was filling, I could see some of it moving with the foam underneath of it. So I may have to go in and do another round. So we'll find out together. Well guys, we brought the door outside. We're gonna be doing some sanding. So we're gonna hit it with 220, see what it looks like, see if we gotta fill it some more or what we gotta do.
Well, that absolutely sucked.
I obviously didn't cut it down far enough before I filled it with the wood putty. Well guys, we just got done filling it again, so let's see what it turns out like this time. So the reason why we put a little bit more on is because there's a few little air bubbles in it, and I wanted to get those out. And just like that, it's fixed. No more hole. And like that, it's hung. So, hopefully you guys like this. If you do, hit that thumbs up button. And hopefully I'll see you on the next episode of Living Out Here.